Hi there, thank you for joining. My name is Ken Duda of Arista. I'm excited to talk to you about some of our advances in campus networking. You may know Arista from the data center, where we operate at massive scale. You might be thinking, well, campuses are so small compared to the number of nodes in a data center. What's the challenge? Well, it turns out the largest campuses are actually very challenging operating environments for several reasons, from the dimension of just the sheer number of clients you're dealing with, different types of clients, the security requirements, but also layer 2 scale. Because if you want mobility, if you want any client to go to any location on a large campus, you need to worry about how do you avoid changing the IP address? Because when you change the IP address, the client's going to drop all of its connections. And once you realize that you need a single IP space over the whole thing, you may be worried about having all the same issues with scale that we had back, you may remember the 1980s, broadcast storms, network loops, forwarding topology issues. A layer 2 scale is challenging. And I'm really excited to talk to you about VESPA. VESPA is Arista's answer to very large scale layer 2. How large scale? Well, our customers challenged us for their biggest campuses. What could we do? We believe VESPA scales to 30,000 access points and over 500,000 Wi-Fi clients in one layer 2 domain, one single IP space, one mobility roaming domain. And so how do we do this? Well, I don't have time to go through all the technical details, but at a high level, VESPA is two technologies. It's virtual ESs for EVPN, and it's proxy ARP to reduce MAC rewrites. And so the virtual ES concept is that imagine a routed core connected to a very large number of access points via VXLAN tunnels. We take sets of tunnels and bind them into a virtual Ethernet segment for EVPN. We then do MAC learning on that Ethernet segment and distribute that information, MAC addresses and MAC to IP bindings via EVPN. And with VESPA, we're able to eliminate all ARPs, all broadcasts, all unknown DA flooding, all of those pesky aspects of layer 2 that have led to such scalability problems in the past. VESPA also includes a proxy ARP MAC rewrite function to scale the rewrite tables in our switches as well. These technologies combined give us the largest L2 scale in the industry. We're really excited about what we're able to achieve with this, all with the same exact operating system that we've already deployed at massive scale in the data center. It's one EOS, not just one brand, not just one source tree. I mean one build, one binary image that you can deploy across your entire infrastructure. And if you've been dealing with the menagerie of operating systems from our competitors, I hope you'll be relieved by the idea of having just one OS to qualify, to learn, to deploy, and get that consistency of operation, consistency of automation across your whole infrastructure. I hope that you're as excited as I am about the opportunities to deploy this into the modern campus and reach the next level of scale. Thank you very much.